Hello viewers, how to turn on or off auto update on WhatsApp? Let's see how to do it. First of all, open your WhatsApp app. Tap on three dot icon in the top right corner. Tap on settings. Scroll down. And here you can see app updates. Tap on app updates. And you can see two options: auto update WhatsApp, automatically download app updates, and second option, allow update over any network. If you select that, download updates using mobile data when Wi-Fi is not available, data charge may apply. Turn on this option. Also turn on this option. You can turn off this option. By doing this process, you can successfully turn on or turn off WhatsApp auto update. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.